Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless X. Now these are from TechSpace in Vietnam. This is not a sponsored video, but I did buy them from them. Now these have got nice little lights, they're low latency, and they, well, spoiler alert, they really do sound really good. Right, I'm just going to take you around the box here. Okay, so there's the back, the side, not much else to see. Let's open this up and I'll show you what you get inside. Okay, let's cut through this. Right, okay, so opening the box up. There we go. There's nothing in the top. Inside is the case itself. Let's see what else there is. So we've got some, looks like some silicon tips, charging cable with little caps on, so Type-C charger. It's got the Razer logo on there, very nice looking, and they come with little rubber caps, which is nice. Nice green insert there with the Razer logo again. Nice looking cable, not very long, but long enough. Right, what else do we have in there? We've got some paperwork and a little thank you message from Razer. Okay, so in here we've got some instructions in different languages. Oh, and some stickers. We've got a single Razer sticker. Very nice. Okay, so just a little bit of information on what you get in the box. And then, okay, so some information on the coloured LED on the outside of the case and the charging status. Okay, so you've got green, yellow and red, or green, orange and red with the battery levels, showing you how to pair them. And it has an app as well. Okay, so the app is there, Razer app. You can get that for Android or Apple iOS. And that's about it. Okay, nice little compact booklet. Right, let's open these ones up. A little bit bigger than the Apple AirPods. The case is actually probably, I'd say, about a quarter extra in size. Let's have a look at the right, got a green LED on the front, so it's charged up. And there's the light, so it's got little flashing lights, and they pulse slowly when you've got them in your ears, but they're flashing because it's in pairing mode. Okay, so it's got a matte feel to the case. Nice quality, it doesn't feel cheap or plasticky. Let's have a look at these. I'm not sure what these are for. Okay. Right, so they're little silicon covers. Let's see if I can get it out without spoiling it. Right, so it's got a little silicon cover and it does fit in the charging case. So you can leave them on, you don't have to put them on and take them off every time. Right, so Apple AirPods 3 looks pretty much the same sort of size. Let's see if that will fit on the AirPod. No, it doesn't fit on there. So the AirPods must be a little bit bigger. Maybe that's why the silicon tips are there. But anyway, I did find out the silicon tips, if you are doing any exercising, then the silicon tip, you put it on and it stops it falling out of your ear. It just makes it that little bit tighter and a little bit rougher, so it's not so slippery. And it does a good job as well. I do like the green flashing light. I think that looks quite smart. I haven't seen that apart from on the cheap AirPods years ago. They used to have flashing red and blue lights inside. But a green light, it's the first time I've seen that. Okay, very nice. Right, I'm going to pair them up with the app and I'll let you know what they sound like as I go through a few of the images coming up. The case is definitely a bit bigger. It's a shame they made the case so big, but It's got 28 hours included battery charge, so not too bad. Right, I did notice on the inside of the box here it says that you have to charge them for the first time for 60 minutes before you use them. So I'm going to do that first.
Much later.
Right, sound quality. I'll just explain what I found with those. The sound quality is absolutely incredible. The bass is deep and rich. The mid-tones are good. The high tones are excellent. When you're listening to things like PUBG, you can hear the footsteps and the gun in the distance. It's really clear. And music, they're just great. I tried them with all different types of music and they were fantastic. They really do beat the Apple AirPods and the AirPods Pro hands down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.